Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. And wishing you all a very, very Merry Christmas, Aquarius. So let's see, let's start with the blessing card from our angels and see how my angels are going to bless this reading, Aquarius, for your love life, and take it on from there. My angels, a blessing, advice, or message for my Aquarius gang, please. Blessing, advice, or message for my Aqua gang. This one, all right. Let's keep this one, Aquarius. Put the rest back. And the card we have here is healing. So if there's been anything going wrong in your love life, Aquarius, healing is coming to the situation. Things will be all right. In fact, I was doing your reading yesterday and I got cut short because I kind of had to do something else. And in that too, I was halfway through the reading. And yes, if there's been any kind of fight or separation between you two guys, I think things are going to be all right. That's what I was getting from the last reading, which unfortunately I couldn't post. But yes, this is the same kind of message. Things are going to be well, Aquarius, very, very soon, if not already. So welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your likes, your comments, your generous Christmas donations to the channel. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Aquarius, this is going to be a small 9-card spread, Aquarius, just to check on your energy. And if any of you need a personal reading, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. Bottom of my deck, I have the King of Swords, and in reverse. Yes, this could have been a fight, Aquarius. Maybe you or your partner said some harsh words to each other, which were not forgiven or are not forgiven at the moment. But maybe this is also problems in communication, right? It's not always that person is harsh to talk to. Sometimes they have problems in communicating their feelings properly to their partner. So let's start with some dialogue messages, Aquarius. See if they could say something to you or you could say something to your partner. What would that be now? Spirit, what could Aquarius or their partner want to say to each other if they could? Aquarius and their partner. One more. Alright, we've got our 3 cards, Aquarius. Let's take a couple more from another deck. Oops, alright. So the first card I have for you here, Aquarius, it says, I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us again soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. So somebody has now realized what love meant. Maybe they took their partner for granted and now they're wishing that, they could get back together with their partner. We are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. Isn't that what we were talking about, Aquarius, with the King of Swords in reverse? Next message. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. Next card. It's really insulting when you try and control the situation and withhold information. You are underestimating my intuitive abilities, my connection with the divine, and we must be forgetting how we connected. We are on soul level. You know that I will always know what's going on because even your higher self tells me on you. So even though we may be not communicating or you have problems in communicating with your partner, the other person can read you like a book because they do feel so connected on a very soul level with you. I cry myself to sleep thinking about all the times we've missed out on. I wish I could go back in time and change things. And yes, you can, if only you would communicate properly, right? So let's open your cards. Six of Swords, the Emperor, Three of Wands, Six of Wands, the Moon, Page of Wands, the Hanged Man, Ace of Swords in reverse and the Ten of Swords in reverse. Alright, here's somebody acknowledging that they've gone the wrong way. They took a different path which they shouldn't have. They didn't do the right thing when the time was right. They didn't work on a relationship maybe. They didn't put in enough work. They didn't communicate well with their partner. And they maybe didn't realize the importance of their relationship when they had it. Maybe they were trying to be too controlling, or they wanted to always be the boss, always be one up on their partner. It was always about my way or the highway, and that kind of ended this relationship, Aquarius. Now this masculine, I think, is feeling pretty down and out. They feel they've lost their power because they feel, hey, everything's come to an end, and they know why it's come to an end. Maybe because they didn't put in enough work, maybe they chose a different direction, and now things have totally come to an end because somebody here has turned their back on them. Their partner doesn't believe any of their promises anymore. They feel that, all these words, promises were all false promises, and all my partner does is confuse me, never gives me clear communication. Sometimes they say something, sometimes they say something, and it's best that I turn my back on them now because I don't trust them anymore. Their communication is all over the place, and whatever that they have said has never really fruitified. Maybe they also feel that their partner is a bit immature maybe, or maybe very prideful and egoistic. It's always their way and they like all the limelight on them. They feel their partner is not stable, not I won't say stable, but yes, a bit immature. This is an immature energy of the Knight of Wands and the Page of Swords, where they are just rash and do whatever they want to, whenever they want to, and they haven't shown their partner that they can be grounded and stable and can take care of them and the relationship. They feel my partner is very ungrounded here. And all these things are maybe out in the open now, and they've kind of lost their passion because there is a lack of communication here, and there is lack of clarity as to what are we doing next now. Is there any hope for us now, or is it over? I think that the feminine energy here kind of feels rather betrayed, and they feel as if their partner is always trying to be one up on them, and they feel, yes, okay, so I'm defeated, all right, so yes, all the secrets are out, you've made me realize what I am or what I'm not, or whatever you've done has made me actually feel like that I've lost. And that's not a very good feeling, because all that's done is lead to my lack of passion for you. You don't communicate properly. I have no clarity on whether we are on or off, or where this relationship is going. So I guess I'll take that. I mean, what you show me is what I'm going to understand, and from what I understand out of whatever I've understood is that it's over, right? You are the winner, I'm the loser, and so be it. So let's just call this quits and let's put a halt to this relationship. So now that this partner has taken a back seat, I think their masculine, who was on the other side, who went the wrong direction, is now wanting to send their partner a message of some sort. What's this message, Spirit? What's this spirit? They want to send a message to their partner to saying, hey, after you are no longer communicating with me, or we're not together, or we're not on the same page, I feel things are really stuck, and I feel a loss of happiness in my life. They don't like being stuck, and they want to come out of a stuck position as well. But even now I see there is very little or no communication, or at least not the right kind of communication between the two of you. Wanting to come out of the stress and tension, wanting to come out of isolation, but still not having the words to communicate. So I think right now you guys may be separated and kind of healing all these broken hearts and the conflict and all the pain that this conflict has, brought to both of you. Neither of you are really listening to your intuition right now and assuming and presuming the worst. Acknowledging, yes, there's been a tower moment and things are totally over. So, yes, this is only a communication problem, Aquarius. If only you guys could talk to each other, there is a huge possibility of at least healing, if nothing else. Even if you guys decide we don't want to move again forward together, but if you guys can have proper communication, at least it'll bring you closure, it'll bring you some healing. Let's see now. So, Spirit, what can we expect now? What can we expect now after this tower moment? Right now, Aquarius, things are still stuck here. As of now, at least till the end of Jan, I see there is no forward movement because somebody here is still stuck. They still, still don't have the words or the communication to bring forth to, they're still getting enlightened. Maybe whoever was very immature in this relationship has a bit of growing up to do, and they are in their healing place where they will get enlightened. But as of now, I see the other partner not wanting to deal with any toxicity in their life and trying to release, or maybe both of you are trying to release any anger, toxicity, fear, regret. So that's going to take a little bit of time because healing has not yet happened, I think. Yes, neither of you really are sure whether you want to invest in this relationship going forth. So take some time out, Aquarius. There is a huge potential of this stability coming back, but you both, I think, need some time to gather yourselves, your own healing, mend your broken hearts, and think of a proper way to communicate to each other, either to find closure or to get together again and move forward together. Okay? So the potential is there, the communication is not, from what I feel. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.